After watching this, some of you might be thinking, what in the world is going on with this New York channel? Well, I'm here to tell you, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm staying at the Hard Rock in Atlantic City, and I need to edit and upload a video within an hour because I need to get to bed. So I pulled this one out of the archives. Before you leave your snarky comments, don't judge. I think you'll enjoy it, and if you don't, well, this doesn't happen too often, so... This is a video about Jeff from New York getting his car washed. Hey, at least I got a video up. That's right, getting his car washed. Now you can leave your comments. Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City in front of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I gotta come for a car wash, an ultimate car wash here at Rocktane, the gas station car wash convenience store area right outside the Hard Rock. So come along with me. I think it's gonna be fun to get a car wash together today. In case you guys are wondering, I drive a Volkswagen Passat. It's over 10 years old. It's very big, it's very comfortable. I love this car. It's paid for, which is the best thing about it. And it's never given me a problem. I've been a Volkswagen fan for, well, since college. I've pretty much driven Volkswagens since college. Not this particular one, but other Volkswagens. So I really love this car, and it looks and feels brand new. So I have nothing bad to say about Volkswagens. In any event, I'm going to get her clean because it's been a while since this baby's been washed. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Well, no, that was a lot of fun, and I finally got old Betsy here cleaned up, so that's pretty cool. It's been, I'm going to say several months since it's been washed, and I'm really happy it is. And I'm sure, it's January right now, I'm sure it's going to snow tomorrow. So, just my luck, but hey, it needed to be cleaned, right? Again, it was comp. They have all different levels of car washes. I think they run anywhere from like, I don't know, $10 to like $17. The comp was for the Big Daddy Disco car wash, which is what I got. That's not what it's called, that's what I call it. But it's like the ultimate car wash. And they didn't touch the inside, obviously. It's just a drive-through, but the car even smells nice. So I don't know how that happened, but I guess the intake on the air conditioner brought in some nice car wash smells into the car. So I'm glad I got it done. Gonna check into the Hard Rock now. I'm staying here tonight and maybe do a slot pull and do a little walk on the boardwalk as well. So stay tuned to the New York channel, guys. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And don't forget to stay tuned for next week's video. Jeff from New York takes out the trash. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.